This guide is designed to help parents set up their school pickup line system accounts. Parents will receive a registration link or QR code from the school by email or SMS. Once they receive this email, they will click on that link to set up their password. The setup password will come up. Parents will set up their password and then click on signing to sign into their account. Once they sign into their account, parents will see the students that is listed under their care. Once logged in, you will see your registered student information displayed. Includes the name of your student, the class, enrollment number, the teacher name and phone number, and the substitute name and phone number if they have a substitute teacher. Now let's go look at the menu of the parents. First, you'll see the home page with your registered student, their class and teacher information. You have your vehicles. This is where you can add or update vehicles used for pickup, for student pickup. Make sure to input plate number, make, models, and color, and you can register multiple vehicles. Parent arrival. This is a backup tool in case of poor network or bad weather. Use this option to notify the school when you arrive for pickup. It ensures your child is ready even if the license plate scanning is disrupted by weather, bad weather, or network issue. The next is the visitors. This is for to authorize a trusted person, such as a relative, friends, or caregiver, to pick up your child. You fill in their full name, contact information, and add vehicle details. Visitor proof is mandatory for validation. The next is to change your password if you want to reset your password and to log out of the system. We recommend downloading the PLACA.Ai mobile app for the best experience. You can also access the system using the school provided web link. Now let's go to the vehicle. Now you can go to the vehicle information, and under vehicle information, I've already added 2 vehicles. This is where you can either update existing vehicles or add new vehicles. We'll go ahead and add a new vehicle. When you click on this, add new vehicle, it gives you the options, the fields to put in your license plate. So you enter license plate number here. You're gonna put a license plate. The make, you're gonna say it's a Toyota. The model is gonna be a Camry, and the color is gonna be red. And then you can have option to add a proof with the picture image of the vehicle, but this is optional for the vehicle upload. So go ahead and save, and once you save, that vehicle is registered under that parent. Next, let's go back to the menu. We click on the parent arrival. The parent arrival, like mentioned earlier, is a fail-safe, a backup in case of poor weather or poor network or any type of issues that is stopping the system from recognizing your arrival, you can click on this drop down to specify which vehicle you are picking up your student from. Then click on confirm arrive. Once you click on confirm arrive, the teacher and the school will be notified that you've arrived to pick up your student. Next, let's go back to the menu, clicking on the visitors. The visitors, like we said earlier, is an authorized person such as a relative, friends, or caregiver that you've assigned or you asked to pick up your child a certain day. You can add multiple visitors and specify the name of the visitor, the phone number, the vehicle information they will be using to pick up your child, and the exact date you want them to pick up your child. If you want this visitor to pick up your child multiple times, you have to specify this date every time you ask them to visit to pick up your student. And you can also add remarks for the administration. In this case, the upload of proof is mandatory because we have to validate the person picking up your child for safety. So now let's look at this sample right here. This is how it looks, and this visitor will pick up this child on the July 22nd, and this is a note, and this is a proof ID of that visitor who is going to be picking up that child that day. Going back to the menu, the next is change password. You can put your old password and enter new password as needed. Also, the parents arrive can be accessed from this arrive button. You can click on this arrive button also to notify the school that you've arrived. And this is the end of the tutorial for the parents pickup line account.